Today is going to be a good news, bad news video. Bad news, I wrecked the Yukon. Even more bad news, the front door and rear door are gone. And super bad news, the C-pillar is crushed and therefore is totaled. Good news, I did not buy a Corvette. Bad news, the Porsche project is now indefinitely delayed due to financial troubles. Good news, we still use the shop each and every day building cool cars, even if they don't end up on YouTube. Bad news, I am now selling the FRS. If you have $15,000 to throw in the trash, you're welcome to buy it. Good news, I bought a replacement vehicle. Bad news, I'm getting fatter. Good news, I found an awesome salesman named Daryl who helped me get into this 2019 Chevy Colorado ZR2. And even more good news, my dad actually liked it, which is amazing because he doesn't like anything. And now let's go to some live action video of the new Colorado ZR2.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town.